Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the location of terminal. That means I will show you how you can navigate through files in the terminal of your Visual Studio's code. So right now you can see this is the current location for the terminal in the Visual Studio's code. And if you want to change in or move any directories, so let me show you the same as well. So if I click on the Explorer, or alternatively I can press the Ctrl Shift and E key combinations, then I can choose to open any folder. So for example, let's choose any folder. So for example, let's say any folder like the C drive, for example. So here you can see that this is the structure of my C drive, and now I will show you how you can navigate through these files using the terminal of your Visual Studio's code. So in order to navigate, what you can type in, that after it has detected the location, you can see as it is showing under the C drive. So for example, I want to head into the recovery folder. So what I can do is simply type in cd, that stands for change directory, and then type in the folder name. So for example, let's say recovery. Once you have typed in, hit the enter button, and here you can see that we are inside the recovery folder. So now we will see how we can also navigate back to the root C directory or back from this particular folder. So in order to do this, what you're gonna type is cd, give a space, and type in two dots. Once you have typed in, hit the enter button, and here you can see that we have navigated back to the C drive. So that's how you can navigate through files and folders using the terminal of your Visual Studio's code. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.